If you have ever tasted moi moi made with leaves, you already know it slaps different. The aroma, the taste, the whole vibe. Today, I'm taking you step by step into my kitchen to show you how I make soft, flavorful moi moi the local way, wrapped beautifully in those green saintful moi moi leaves. So grab a seat, grab a drink, and let's cook together. Hey loves, welcome to all my new subscribers. I see you and I'm so glad you are here. And to my amazing returning family, thank you. You're always showing up. You're the real MVPs. If you haven't already, make sure to tap that notification bell so you never miss a single drop from me. From cooking to hustle to glow up, you know I always bring the vibes. Let's keep growing together. First things first, the leaves has to be properly rinsed until you can almost drink the water. We set aside the moi moi sticks in a pot and one leaf or a leaf to cover the pot, just like I did in the previous video, and set aside. If you have never tried using melted butter in place of pure vegetable oil, I think this is your cue to do that now because it is like a whole new flavor and it's so nice. So in this video, I'm going to be making use of sardines. Feel free to use any fish of your choice, any protein of your choice. But for fish, I think mackerel fish is best used. Like it's a whole new, like it just slaps different every time. But trust me guys, you can use any protein of your choice. I used a whole lot of protein. This wasn't the only protein I used. I used this sardine. I used hot dog. I used boiled eggs. So you can use anything. You can use shrimps, you know, you can use anything that comes to your mind. You can even use minced meats. I used cornbeef, as you can see too. So just feel free to do you. Anything that you know that you like and you love so much, just use it, I beg. Mix all the protein in a bowl so you can, easily, scoop the amount that you need, okay? And this vegetable oil, the oil gotten from this sardine, I'm just going to be, saving that and pouring into my beans batter, okay? So I think by now my family, like my YouTube family, already knows that nothing used to waste in my own kitchen. Me, I'm going to make sure that I pour water, I rinse everything, and I'm going to pour everything inside. That is how it is, okay? Nothing should waste. So I'm just going to go ahead and dice my sausage, the hot dog. You can dice it into any shape of your choice. You can decide to fry a little bit and just dice it, and you can just do it like I'm doing in this video because I'm still going to be cooking the moi moi batter, okay? So everything is going to cook together. So I'm going to be adding my seasoning. I'm using knorr chicken cubes. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. I usually don't add salt into my food mostly, except if I'm cooking boiled rice. The reason because is that I feel the Maggi already has salt, so feel free to add salt if you're the type that adds salt. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, okay? So you're going to be mixing this batter. You have to mix it like I am doing in this video. Mix it with a turning stick or a wooden stick, whatever, just mix it and mix and mix and mix and mix very well so that it will be very smooth, okay? And like I already said earlier, make sure your leaves are properly rinsed and the deaths are away. Like you can almost drink the water, so don't be scared. If your water from rinsing the leaves still looks like rainwater, then you're doing it right, okay? So, and you can see the way I'm wrapping this. Take notes. Like this thing is just very, very simple. The first time I tried, I made mistakes, and that's not a big deal. So you have to just keep trying. Once you try it to like the third time, you will get it. Do not be scared. Very, very simple. If you haven't gotten it right here, just hold on and look at how I'm going to keep on wrapping the moi moi leaves, okay? You can see this is just very simple. Just give it a try. Like I always try to tell anyone that you can do anything. Just make sure you have all the ingredients, you have all the tools necessary, and keep trying. You're going to get it. The first time I did mine, like I felt like, God, my mom is not here. My mom used to be the one to do this. My mom is not here, but I did it myself, and since then I've been doing it so great. So I have a previous video on how to wrap moi moi using moi moi leaves, and I was so particular on how to wrap using the moi moi leaves. So if you still haven't gotten it in this video, I'm going to be putting up the link in this video, so you can just click on the link to watch the video, and I'm sure after watching that video you would know how to wrap moi moi using moi moi leaves. Trust me, you're going to know it because it's very simple. Place gently in the pot so the batter doesn't come out of the leaves. And in the video earlier, like the first part of the video, you saw that I did not discard my moi moi sticks. I placed them in the pot, and I also placed a big moi moi leaf also in the pot. This just serves as a protector, and it doesn't allow your moi moi to burn when the water is already dry in the pot. And you want to make sure that you add in water into this pot after you have already wrapped all your moi moi leaves completely.
Can't imagine life without you by my side, oh baby. Alright, I just want you here forever, forever. And this is me, and that is you. We exactly where we wanna be, yeah. And these two hearts with a beat as one.
So like I said earlier, that you should add water at the base. Don't drown them, please. Do not drown your moi moi batter. You can add water bit by bit as it cooks, and you can also cook on medium heat, and within 45 minutes to 1 hour your moi moi will be ready. So you can see I also used some moi moi leaves to cover the pot as well, and in 1 hour my moi moi leaves was ready. And here it is, hot, soft, flavorful moi moi made the real way. This one isn't just food, it's an experience. The taste, 10 over 10. It's highly recommended. Trust me. If you have watched thus far, thank you. Don't forget to like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you haven't. And please share with someone who needs to stop buying plastic moi moi and learn the real deal. Like, it is just very simple to make yourself instead of buying plastic moi moi. So please, no to plastic moi moi, and try out using this moi moi wraps. It tastes so different. So this is me just unwrapping and showing you how soft it is. So if you think this is too soft and you want it to be a bit firm, you can just let it cool down for like just cool down a bit. By that time it would have firmed up, but I just had mine immediately because I was starving. Like, the whole kitchen was filled with this moi moi aroma, and even my neighbors can tell that I was cooking moi moi. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please, like I said, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my videos. Okay, like you all know, I bring in vibes here, so let's keep cooking and grow together. See you guys in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.